Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a Ford Bronco and we've installed the new Pro Series ditch light kit. Available in either a 2 or a 4-pod version. I want to show you exactly how much additional light you get between the 2 and the 4 pods. So these are the factory low beams. If you have the 2 pods, you can either face them forward or you can face them to the sides to serve as ditch lights. And if you get the 4 version, you can face 2 of them going forwards and 2 of them to the sides to cover a wider area. Let me show you once again. This is 2 pods going forward. This is 2 pods going to the sides. And this is all 4 pods going on at the same time. Thank you guys for watching. I know you guys are going to love this product. And please tune in to the step-by-step installation instruction.